Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are a Goan food lover and you like prawns, then this dish is going to be an all-time favorite of yours. It's a simple prawn curry Goan style. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. This is super simple to make. It's got only 2-3 steps and the curry will be ready, and it can be served with some white rice and a little bit of salad on the side. So let's jump right into the recipe. To begin with, we have to make a masala, for which I have taken garlic, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, red chilli, pepper, turmeric, a little bit of tamarind, grated coconut and coconut milk. We are going to grind all of this together into a smooth paste. So the paste is ready, let's move to the next step. I have heated some coconut oil in a pan. I am going to add finely chopped onions and ginger to this. And we'll just saute it nicely until the onion turns slightly golden brown. Once the onions have browned, we'll add in the chopped tomatoes to this mixture. We'll also add a little bit of salt to help the tomatoes cook nicely. So let the tomatoes soften nicely. Once the tomatoes have softened, we'll add in the ground masala to this mixture. You can add some water to adjust the consistency. We'll also add salt to taste to this mixture. And then let this cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. So once the curry has come to a nice boil and cooked for 10 to 15 minutes, we'll add in the prawns. Now I am using fresh prawns, so I'm just adding it directly. If you're using frozen prawns, just defrost it and then put it into the curry. Let's adjust the consistency by adding some hot water to this. Give it all a nice mix, and on low flame we'll cook this for another 5 minutes or until the prawns are done. Once the prawns are cooked, just add in some curry leaves and our prawn curry is ready to be served. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.